दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। दोस्तों बहुत दिनों के बाद आज एक ठंडा मौसम देखने को मिला, तो मैंने सोचा आप सभी के लिए पकोड़े बना दूं। मैंने सोचा आप सभी के लिए वीडियो बना दूं, कुछ स्टेप्स सिखा दूं और आपके लिए एक मूव आसान बना दूं। लेकिन शुरू करने से पहले सब्सक्राइब राइट नाउ और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी हर वीडियो जल्द से जल्द आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करें। रुकिए। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो के एंड में मैं आप सभी के लिए एक चैलेंज अनाउंस करने वाला हूँ, तो जिसको भी चैलेंजेस पसंद हैं वो इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So the first and most important guideline is your hand should be straight in all the steps. मतलब जो आप you can see my hand is absolutely straight, like it's not bend. थोड़ा सा भी bend नहीं है ये, जैसा कि मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। Like this, it's bend, but your hand should be like this. Okay. So there are some issues which can occur when you are doing this move. So if you have any issue while you are straightening your hand, so what you can do, अगर आपका हाथ थोड़ा सा भी bend है, so आपको क्या करना है, as a practice आपको वॉल, जैसे समझ लीजिए कि ये एक वॉल है, इस वॉल के सहारे आपको अपने हैंड को रखना है और उसे ट्राई करना है स्ट्रेट करने का। ओके, like if this is a wall, imagine it's a wall, actually it's a window, but imagine it as a wall. So आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपका हाथ हल्का सा भी बेंड है, so आपको उसे ऐसे रखना है वॉल के सहारे and just try to press this position if it's bent, so you can make it straight. तो कुछ टाइम के बाद, not much time, you know, it's not about month or 2 months, it's just about days, maybe a 1 day or 2 day time, it will get straight. So this was the first important guideline. So guys, the next important guideline is that your wrist angle should always be 90 degree. I mean जो आपका रिस्ट का एंगल होना चाहिए हमेशा 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए। एज यू कैन सी, obviously in tutting, if you are trying a step like this, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look good if it's at 90 degree or if it's at 0 degree angle, so keep it in mind. So guys, before telling you all the steps regarding this move, let me clarify you one thing, that this is not a mirror image. I'm actually sitting in front of the camera, so this is my right hand and this is my left hand. ये मेरा right hand है, ये मेरा left hand है। So guys, let's move on to the steps. This is your initial position. Now the first step is this. You have to join your hands. Namaste, like this. Okay. 1. Now both hands will come up and your elbows will join. Now the third step, the right hand will go up, okay, till this position of your left hand. Again, starting from the initial position, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth step. Now for the fifth step, your right hand will go towards the right side. 5. Now for the sixth step, the right hand will go down. 6. And now the seventh step, this. Okay. Now after this, the eighth step is the elbows of both the hands will go up. 7, 8. Okay. Now the ninth step is your left hand will go towards the right side and the right hand will go towards the left side together. 9. Okay. Now 10th step, this. In this step, your left wrist will move towards the right side and same the right hand's wrist will go towards the left side, so it will make a rectangle automatically. Again, so this was my 8th step, 9, 10, and then 11th step is back to the same position, and 12th step goes straight to the middle point here. See, this is the 12th step. I'll do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now moving on to the 13th step. You just need to make a cone. See, I will join my elbows and it will automatically make a cone. I am joining my elbows from here to here while my wrist is absolutely at a 0 degree angle. So here 12, 13. Okay, I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 13. Okay, now from the 13th step, just do this for the 14th step. That's it. See, it's very easy. This is your 13th step. This is your 14th step. And now for the 15th step, just take your elbows to the exact same position where you brought it from here. Okay, so this is the 14th step, and the 15th step is join your hands and the elbows will go up. You have to do both these steps together. So this is my 14th step, this is my 15th step. Now the 16th step is this. See, 15th step के लिए मेरा जो राइट हैंड है वो लेफ्ट हैंड के ऊपर जाता है, साथ ही डोंट फॉरगेट my elbow is also going up, so it should not look like this. Okay, it should not look like this. See, it's not good. It should look like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, now moving on to the 17th step. This is my 17th step. Okay, I hope you can see. I was here for the 15th step. I went up for the 16th step. This is my 17th step. Now the 18th step is just rotate your right elbow. That's it. From here to here. 18th step. Now the 19th and the last step is you have to rotate both the elbows. 19th. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा 19th step. So my 18th step was this. This was my 18th step. In the last step, my left elbow will go like this, and it will take both my hands to rotate at this position. Okay, so it's just moving on to the 90 degree angle. From here it will go straight like this, and both my hands, which is at this position, it will shift like this. Okay, so guys, I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और चैलेंज के लिए आप तैयार रहें, क्योंकि आप इतनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं. सो आई विल टेल यू द चैलेंज. आपको करना क्या है कि जो भी मैंने आपको मूव सिखाए हैं ये सारे के सारे आपको परफॉर्म करने हैं और इसका एक वीडियो बना के मुझे भेजना है मेरे इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे या फिर मेरे फेसबुक हैंडल पे. उनका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा. सो अगर मुझे आपका वीडियो पसंद आया, सो आई विल अपलोड योर वीडियो इन माई नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो. I will also give you credits on that video for performing the step, and best of luck.